Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob, and today I'm going to show you the power supply. We're going to get started hooking it up to the mill. Right now I'm using this as a power supply. So this is the panel that I'm using. I 3D printed this. These are raised letters. They're a millimeter high from the surface. And the first one I made, this, and this. And these two holes were 4 millimeters off on every single one of them. I didn't change that one apparently, so it needs to be changed, but it's not as much as 4 millimeters. But anyway, right now I'm using this, the 3 amp, just to test the switch. This is your forward reverse for the feed, and this is your potentiometer for boosting your power. So you turn that and it takes you up to 100. But anyway, so this is the power supply that I plan to use. So let's take a look at this thing and see if we can figure out what we got. Well, the first thing when I got it, this corner was mashed. So when this bent in, it bent this part in right here. You see where I bent it, straightened it back up. But it makes me mad that I have to do that. They should have boxed that a little better than that. Especially when you got a corner like that that has nothing supporting it. So this is the power supply I plan to use, and this one is DC 12 volts, 30 amp. Alright, so now I'm going to take and hook up some wires here to it. The first 3, you got line, neutral, and ground. So those are your AC lines coming in. Alright, and then there's 3 negative 12 volt and 3 positive 12 volt. So we're going to hook some wires up to this so we can plug it in. As soon as I find my screwdriver. Alright, so remember, line goes in the last one, which is black. Neutral is the second one, which is white. And green is ground. And that goes in the third one. Alright, so then we got 6 of them left. 3 of them are negative, 3 of them are positive. So we're going to test it. And let's see if you guys can read that. So prop that up a little bit for you. Alright, so now we're going to put this one in positive. And then we're going to put this one in the negative. So now if I want to add, if I wanted to add another component, I've got two more that I can use. So right now we're showing 0 voltage. So now I'm going to plug this in right now, and we don't have a switch on it, so we're just testing to make sure that the voltage is correct. Fan is on. What? Alright, so there is a pot on this thing that's supposed to be for adjusting the voltage. I'm thinking this one here adjusts the voltage. Yeah. Alright, so we're only getting 10.27. So let's see if we can bump that up a little bit. Well, that is all the way up. Turn the other way, maybe it's the other way. Well, that only dropped it down to 965, so that's minimum. Well, this is only a 10-volt power supply, but yet it's marked 12 volt. There ain't no 12 volt coming out of this thing. I'm wondering if maybe the hit messed something up, because it was bent clear over to about this far. In fact, I had to straighten it in order to lift this off of there. So I'm gonna message him, I guess. I swear I can't get nothing that's right. Let me try something here. Yeah, they're all the same volts. So that ain't, you know what I was thinking? I was thinking maybe one was 10 volt, one was 12 volt, one was 24 volt or something like that. I don't know. It was worth a shot. So apparently something ain't right about it, because you would be reading 12 volts there, and we're not reading 12 volts. So I know that the test light will probably work on it. Alright, so we're gonna just that light bogs it down. Oh wow, that's a hell of a draw on that. It's down to 8, just the test light, 8.69. Yeah, that power supply is no good. So I guess I'm back to the drawing board. I was using a windshield wiper motor to test to make sure I had power to everything. So this one here obviously was hit too hard and has broke something loose that regulates this. So I guess I'm sending this one back. Well, I ain't never gonna get this job done because I have to keep dealing with this. Anyway, I was gonna do a video on hooking up the box, but if that power supply is bad, then there's really no point in going any further until I get this sorted out. So, you know, these are the pictures of this when I first got it, and I thought it'd be a good idea to test this thing and do a video on it. So, and you can feel that it's not even square no more. As you can see, this side's bent that way. So this thing has been hit both ways. Because as you can see, this edge here is not parallel with this edge down here. So it's been shifted. This side has shifted on the top and the bottom has stayed where it's at. Of course, the bottom has no choice but to stay where it's at. So I guess we're back to the drawing board for a power supply. I wanted a 30 amp for this one, and then I got a 10 amp for the parts washer so I can make it work, use one on it. So this one is the 30 amp that I had planned on using on the mill. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and by all means don't forget to have your trunk coffee. I'm going in to have mine as soon as I sit down in front of the computer to message these people. Listen, and I'm holding this so it can't move. Yeah, there's something wrong with that one. Anyway, thank you for watching. You guys have a good one. Later.